Hey there, Sean B, the Sales Funnel Nerd, and welcome to this video today. We're going to talk about how to make money with ClickFunnels. I'm going to give you 5 ways that you can go and make money with ClickFunnels, and we're going to call this a little mini ClickFunnels training course here. So here we see the 5 ways to go and make money with ClickFunnels. So we're going to dive into each one of these, and I'm going to explain what each one means so you can go and take this and do this yourself. So let's take a look. Buckle up. We're going to have a good time. Let's jump into it. So the first thing is to go and sell stuff. Now, really, the great thing about ClickFunnels is that you can link it up with Stripe, go in and create a product inside of ClickFunnels. It will be linked up with your Stripe, and you can start, selling products in just a few minutes. It takes you, literally just a couple minutes to go and build a product, and boom, you're in business. Send out a download link that goes into your email, and you don't even have to build like a download page if you want. You can just, have the product delivered via email because there's a section where you can set up your product fulfillment. And ClickFunnels will automatically send out an email to your new customer once you've gone and set that up in Stripe here. So it's totally awesome. You'd be surprised how many people get stuck at the stage where they just either build a funnel and they don't send traffic, or they build a funnel, send some traffic, don't get great results, and then just say, oh, this doesn't work. Instead of going and testing and tweaking and just working with it, improving and making your sales funnel better. So the next thing is to sell more stuff. So here you can see once you add in things like upsells and downsells, you can add in additional products, things like done for you options. And a really easy downsell is to take your product, take the price, and turn it into a 3-pay option for an easy downsell, right? Here you can see with this graphic, just by having these downsell or then upsell in place, I had 15 people take advantage of the front end sale, and then 2 people out of there took the additional upsell, and you can see how much money I would have missed out on if I didn't have that in place. So the next thing is to add in order bump. So you can see here I had an offer, and then my order bump, I had 28% of the people take advantage of the order bump just because I had it in place. And all that is just a simple little box on the order form page that they can check the box that says, yes, I want to add this extra option for how much ever to my initial purchase here today. So it's kind of like those irresistible items when you're in the aisle going through the checkout and you see those little nifty gadgets and whatnot that you don't really need, but it's kind of an impulse buy, so you take it anyways. And that's the great thing about having an order bump. And you can see also because I had an upsell in this funnel, people took advantage of the upsell as well. So really it's just a matter of having these elements in place, and you can make money with ClickFunnels. It's so awesome. Okay, so the next item is to promote other stuff. It's really easy to set up a funnel that's essentially like a resource guide funnel where you promote a bunch of affiliate products that either you use or are associated with, or that that are part of your business. And that's kind of what I did as far as some digital marketing tools, right? So it doesn't take much, really simple page. Boom, they click, opt in, and then on the next page I have links to these other products that they can check out through my affiliate links. So it's really easy to promote other stuff, setting up like a resource guide kind of additional funnel. So the last thing here is to promote ClickFunnels itself. And the way that you can do that is when you go into your settings and whatnot, there's an option to show or hide your ClickFunnels affiliate badge. So you can see down in the bottom corner there, that's what the affiliate badge looks like. So it says made with ClickFunnels. Somebody is like, wow, this page is fantastic. I would like to make one of these myself. They've got a little badge in the corner there that says made with ClickFunnels. They click on it, go check it out. They're like, hey, I'm going to use ClickFunnels and make my own sweet looking pages. They go and buy, and then boom, you automatically start getting affiliate money from ClickFunnels, because when you become a ClickFunnels customer, you get to become an affiliate straight away with them as well. So that's the great thing, is you can just have a little badge working for you all the time on one of your funnels, showing off your hard work and allowing you to make affiliate sales through ClickFunnels. That's it. So that's some awesome little ways to make money with ClickFunnels. Go ahead, take those, use those to your advantage in your own business, and make some awesome funnels. So I'm going to have a thing come up on the screen right about now that you can click on and get some more free information as well. There'll be some stuff underneath in the description. Don't forget to click on to like, subscribe, notify, shout, yell, bing, hop, all that kind of good stuff underneath this video, and I will see you in the next video.